particular reason?
There are men. Or they were. They attacked a nearby sept and murdered the villagers. Why do you want them?
Same reason. I was helping build it. I killed a friend of mine.
You've got friends?
Not anymore. They're mine.
It's the Brotherhood's good name they've dragged through the dirt.
Fuck your name, they're mine. Killed you once before, Dundari, and happy to do it again. Drop that arrow, you bloody girl. Tougher girls than you have tried to kill me.
You can have one of them.
2. He's not. I'll give you anything.